Yo, yo, yo! This is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team Skull Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. Guys, we are at co-op main story, and Chapter 23, Hearts Connected by Fashion. There's one more, Challenge Valerie, very hard. Let's do it! Right now, we are using Olivia, Koga, and Suit Brock, which doesn't get called at all. But anyway, let's begin. Co-op, so we're partnering with humans from around the world. Unless it's an NPC. But it's a fairly new stage, so basically humans. Let's begin.
Don't underestimate me.
Sync orb chance. Perfection.
I'm going all out. We're winning this. Go. We're winning this. Go. All right, do it.
Good. X attack.
One if I warned you to pull. All right. Let your guard down. I won't hold back.
Hardest diamonds once again. Hey, don't kill me, okay? Don't kill me! How dare you? How dare you? No! 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 Come on. Yes. It's a miss.
We're not done yet.
Let's maximize our speed.
Careful, we're not done yet.
Pinashock.
Shall we begin? My turn.
Hey, that's not the one I was about to attack.
I'm inspired. All right.
I sense danger. I did not expect retreat.
Ready to shine? We're not done yet.
Unity Max, guys. I am switching out. I am calling Suit Brock.
Let's kill Sparkle.
Rock Slide.
This is it.
Did you point out where I went wrong?
Perfection.
Oh, goodness.
And that is it, guys. That is it. Thank you guys for watching. That was very hard.
Challenge me.
Please give this video a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts. Share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you with Chapter 26. No, not Chapter 26. Chapter 24 in the next video. I'm going ahead of myself, guys. Going ahead of the game. I'll see you with Chapter 24 in the next video. Right.